I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to my travel video about Cadiz, Spain. Take a tour with me as I explore what this incredible city has to offer. From its amazing beaches to its historical culture, this city really does have something for everyone. But first, if you're enjoying my video, be sure to like it and don't forget to leave a comment so I know your thoughts. Now let's get to it. We'll start when I arrived in Cadiz, the stunning ancient city in southwestern Spain. From the moment I stepped out of the train, I could sense the palpable history in the air. Everywhere I looked, there were remnants of the city's past, and I felt like I had stepped back in time. I immediately visited the city's beaches, which are really the main event. Golden sand and crystal blue water, that's what you can expect from these gorgeous beaches. You can also find plenty of waves for an exciting and thrilling experience. But if relaxing on the beach isn't your cup of tea, then don't worry, because Cadiz has plenty of other activities as well. Go a little further into the city and you'll find urban streets full of culture, history, and architecture. There are plenty of museums, monuments, and buildings here, making it the perfect spot for sightseeing. Be sure to take a camera with you, because you won't want to miss this opportunity to take some great snaps. To cap it all off, you can't miss the fresh seafood that can be found here. From traditional dishes to more Spanish-style cuisine, the seafood is a must-read when in Cadiz. And with that, I'm concluding my video. Thank you for joining me as I explored this special city, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Until next time, bon voyage!
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!